lecture we have started other methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In these methods, next method of preparation is from nitriles. First, we will study preparation of aldehydes. Alkane nitrile, when alkane nitrile is treated with stannous chloride and hydrogen chloride, it undergoes reduction. In this case, one hydrogen goes to carbon and another hydrogen goes to nitrogen to form its addition product, that is RC double bond N, NH and HCl. That is, it forms its imine hydrochloride. This imine hydrochloride further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid to form CH double bond O plus this N, H, H and 2H, NH4 and this Cl, that is NH4Cl. That means when alkane nitrile is treated with stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, it undergoes reduction to form its imine hydrochloride. That imine hydrochloride further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of H plus to form corresponding aldehyde and NH4Cl. For example, ethane nitrile, when ethane nitrile is treated with stannous chloride and hydrogen chloride, it undergoes reduction. That is, one hydrogen goes to carbon, another hydrogen goes to nitrogen to form its imine hydrochloride. Imine hydrochloride. This imine hydrochloride further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of H plus. In this way, to form its corresponding aldehyde. This CH3, C double bond O and H plus NH4Cl. It is acetaldehyde. That is, when ethane nitrile is treated with stannous chloride and hydrogen chloride, it undergoes reduction. That is, one hydrogen goes to carbon, another hydrogen goes to nitrogen to form its corresponding ethanamine hydrochloride. That ethanamine hydrochloride further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid, that is H plus, to form its corresponding aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. In IUPAC system, it is ethanol. Then another example is benzonitrile. When benzonitrile is treated with stannous chloride and hydrogen chloride, in presence hydrogen chloride, one hydrogen goes to carbon, in this case also another hydrogen goes to nitrogen to form its imine hydrochloride. This imine hydrochloride further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of H plus. In this way, to form its corresponding aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. C6H5 C double bond O H plus NH4Cl. This reaction is also called as Stefan's reaction. Alternatively, aldehydes can also be reduced by diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It is also called as DiBaLH, that is dibyl H. Paint 3 in nitrile is treated with dibyl H. It gives its corresponding imine. That corresponding imine, it is further hydrolyzed in presence of mineral acid, that is H plus, to give its corresponding aldehyde. Its name is paint 3 enal, that is when paint 3 en in nitrile is reduced by a dibyl H, it gives its corresponding imine. That corresponding imine, it is further hydrolyzed by water in presence of H plus, it gives its corresponding aldehyde, that is paint 3 enal. In this case, double bond, it remains as it is. An advantage of this method is that double or triple bonds present in the same molecule are not reduced by this reagent. Then we will see preparations of ketones. Preparation of ketones from nitriles. When alkane nitrile is treated with Grignard's reagent in pure and dry ether, in CN group, nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, therefore it is partial negative, it is partial positive. In Grignard's reagent, R is negative and Mg is positive, therefore this alkyl group approaches to this carbon and magnesium approaches to this nitrogen to form its addition product, that is RCrMgX. This addition product further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid in this way to form its corresponding and in this way MgOH X plus NHH2, that is NH3. For example, ethane nitrile when treated with Grignard's reagent in presence of dry ether, this methyl group goes to carbon atom and this Mg goes to nitrogen atom to form its addition product CH3 CH3, then double bond NMgCl. This addition product further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid, that is acid hydrolysis in this way, and another in this way to form this CH3 C double bond O plus NH2 and H, NH3 plus MgClOH. It is propanone. Then next example is C6H5 C triple bond N, that is benzonitrile when treated with Grignard's reagent CS3MgBr in presence of dry ether. Ethyl group goes to carbon and this MgBr goes to this nitrogen. Then it forms its addition product, that is C6H5 CH3 double bond MgBr. This addition product further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid to form, that is hydrolysis in this way, breaking by water molecule O and then H2, and in this case H and OH to form 6,6H5 CH3 double bond O plus NH3 plus MgBrOH, that is MgOHBr. In this way, C6H5 C double bond O CH3, that is methyl phenyl ketone. It is also called as acetophenone. Then the next method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones is from aromatic hydrocarbons. First we will study preparations of aromatic aldehydes. In preparations of aromatic aldehydes, we will first study first method, that is Itard reaction. In this method, aromatic hydrocarbon toluene is treated with oxidizing agent like chromyl chloride in presence of carbon disulfide. Then this hydrogen goes to this oxygen goes to this methyl carbon, then another chromyl chloride molecule in this case also this hydrogen goes to this oxygen and this oxygen goes to this carbon atom to form this hydrogen goes to this oxygen and this oxygen goes to this carbon. Therefore oxygen CrOH and one Cl, another Cl, that is Cl2. Then in this case also this hydrogen goes to this oxygen and this oxygen goes to this carbon. That is, this oxygen is attached to this carbon atom, oxygen, then chromium attached to this oxygen, this hydrogen goes to this oxygen, therefore here is also OH and then Cl2. This is chromium complex. This chromium complex further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid. In this case, what happens? Bond between chromium and oxygen, this goes to in this way, and this whole part goes away with electron pairs. Therefore, what happens here? CH double bond O, and this whole part goes away with its electron pairs. What is we have left is our desired product, that is benzaldehyde. I will repeat once again. Phenolene is treated with oxidizing agent like chromyl chloride. In this case, this hydrogen goes to oxygen and this oxygen goes to the carbon atom, and here also another hydrogen goes to oxygen and this oxygen goes to carbon atom of methyl group to form its chromium complex, and this chromium complex further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid to form, that is breaking in this way to form benzaldehyde. Next method is by oxidation of aromatic hydrocarbons using chromium trioxide in presence of acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This is toluene. When this toluene is treated with chromium trioxide in presence of acetic anhydride, then another acetic anhydride molecule we will write here. At 273 to 278 Kelvin, this hydrogen goes to this carbon atom and this oxygen goes to this carbon. Same in the case, this hydrogen goes to this carbon atom and this oxygen goes to this methyl carbon attached to benzene ring, then form CH. Here hydrogen goes to carbon and this oxygen goes to this carbon, therefore oxygen. Here another oxygen, C double bond O and then CH3. Then in another case also oxygen, this oxygen attached to carbon, oxygen, then C double bond O and then CH3. This molecule it is called as benzylidene. Benzylidene diacetate. This benzylidene diacetate further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid, that is after acidic hydrolysis, bond between carbon and oxygen goes in this way and this bond goes in this way, that is this whole part goes away with its electron pairs. What is that we have left is our desired product, that is it is CH then C double bond O. It is called as benzaldehyde. Next method of preparation is by side chain chlorination of toluene. When toluene is treated with chlorine gas in presence of UV light, it undergoes chlorination. That is substitution of chlorine in place of this hydrogen and substitution of this chlorine in place of this hydrogen to form its chloro-derivative, to form benzyl chloride. This benzyl chloride on hydrolysis in presence of acid, it gives hydrolysis in this way. Chlorine is more electronegative, therefore H goes to chlorine and OH goes to this carbon. Same in the case to form an intermediate compound, that is carbon OH, carbon OH. When two hydroxyl groups present on the same carbon atom, that molecule is unstable. Therefore, this molecule is unstable. It further undergoes rearrangement, that is this bond between oxygen and hydrogen goes in this way and this OH goes away with its electron pair to form, we will write here CH, and here double bond is formed, C double bond O, and this OH goes away with its electron pair and this H plus to form H2O, and this is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is manufactured commercially by this method. Then the next method of preparations of aromatic aldehydes from aromatic hydrocarbons is Gattermann-Koch formulation of arenes. Arene, for example, we will take here benzene. Benzene reacts with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride under high pressure gives its aldehyde. That is benzaldehyde. For example, when toluene is treated with carbon monoxide in presence of hydrogen chloride and in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and under high pressure, it gives its aldehyde. That is, aldehyde group goes to at para position. It is methyl group, it is ortho para directing group, and its major product is para methyl benzaldehyde. Therefore, CHO group goes to, that is aldehyde group goes to at para position. Its name is para methyl benzaldehyde. This is called Gattermann-Koch formulation of arenes. one trick for remembering these reagents, that is OCH. OC represents carbon monoxide and H represents H for HCl. Then we will see preparations of ketones from aromatic hydrocarbons. One method is by Friedel-Crafts acylation of arenes. When benzene is heated with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and when heated, this anhydrous AlCl3, it acts as a Lewis acid. It withdraws this electron pair towards itself with this chlorine atom. Therefore it forms its acylium ion. That acylium ion, that is, it forms RC double bond O plus. This acylium ion, it attacks on this pi electron cloud, that is, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place to form its acyl derivative, that is C double bond O R. It is called as acyl benzene. For example, when benzene is heated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This anhydrous AlCl3, it acts as a Lewis acid. It withdraws these electron pairs with this chlorine to form its acylium ion. That is, this acylium ion attacks on benzene nucleus. That is, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place to form its acetyl derivative. Its name is methyl phenyl ketone, that is, it is also called as acetophenone.